Hello, today we're going to be touring 142 Henry. This one bedroom comes with laundry and parking, which is included, as well as a shared backyard. Okay, so here we are in the unit. To the right here is the full bathroom. You have shelving right by the front door. Nice glass shower. Beautifully renovated. Here is the shower. You have a good-sized shower head and glass doors. Over here to the left is a huge closet. You can access it from the bedroom or the hallway. This is the bedroom. Nice bay windows, plantain shutters, and direct access to the closet. You have beautiful hardwood floors throughout. Here's a peek out the window here, so you look out onto Henry Street, which is a very quiet tree-lined street. Living room is gorgeous. You have a decorative fireplace, built-in shelving, beautiful light fixtures, and the kitchen. Here you have a stainless dishwasher, stainless sink, gas range, and refrigerator. Here's a peek out the kitchen window here. And there you go. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.